Welcome to the practical number 3. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss the practical number 3. Practical number 3 also related to files and folder. In the practical, first they have given some folder structure. So we want to create the folder structure inside our network drive. So here the network folder is there. Just I will scroll up for my easy. I'm taking like this view. So inside that particular folder, I want to create the new folder, the folder name network I have created, then open. Inside the network folder, I want to create new folders, the folder names LAN, then another new folder, folder name WAN, another new folder, folder name MAN. There are 3 folders I have created. Inside the WAN, new folder, internet, intranet. Intranet. I want to go back intranet folder. Sorry, internet folder. Inside that I want to create the 2 folder www, then another folder email. Now the given folder structure I have successfully created in the local machine. We'll move to the question number 2. Rename the folders as follow. So they have given some name. Based on that name we want to rename the folder. So network LAN. Right click, rename. Which name I want to give? Local area network. Enter. Then particular folder WAN. Where is that WAN? Yes, WAN folder. I want to rename it wide area network. Enter. Then www folder. Inside the WAN wide area network. Inside the internet www. Particular folder I want to rename it world wide web. Enter. Then third question. Apply read attributes to the intranet folder. Then go back wide area network intranet folder, right click, go to properties, then read only attributes. Just put the tick on read only attributes, apply. Okay. Okay. The fourth question, create the shortcut for Internet Explorer in World Wide Web. So inside the internet, World Wide Web is there. Just open. Inside this, I want to create the shortcut of Internet Explorer. Just right click here, new shortcut. So then where your Internet Explorer is available, just select the Internet Explorer icon. So here in my PC, in the desktop, I have Internet Explorer. Maybe in your system, sometime you have in the program file, inside the program file, just you want to find the Internet Explorer icon, then click Internet Explorer, then give OK, then again give OK, finish. Now you can see the Internet Explorer shortcut is available here. Once you double click this Internet Explorer shortcut, the Internet Explorer will be open. Okay, so then fourth one also finish. Fifth one, change the folder icon of network folder as your choice. Here we go back network folder, network folder, properties, then customize change icon. Just will give like this, apply, then okay. Now you can see the icon was changed. As you wish, you can give any icon. Then create the text file and save the internet folder including following content. So the following content, you want to create the text file inside the internet folder. We'll go to the internet folder. Okay, text file, particular text file will give the name internet. They didn't mention anything about a name, but better you give internet. So then the given content, you want to type it inside this text file. Okay, like this way you want to type the given content, then file, save, then close. Then next part of the question, they have given some folder structure. The particular folder structure you want to create inside the network drive. First we'll move to the network drive. Okay, network. So here new folder course, then open that new folder NCICT, then another folder NDICT, then NCICT open, new folder, month, go back, then open NDICT, new folder, year. Now the given folder structure are created inside the network drive. Then move the year folder in the NCICT folder and rename it as a year 2. You want to move, not copy. You want to cut and paste. Move the year folder from into the NCICT. So now it's in available NDICT. You want to move it here NCICT. Here, two ways you can cut. Just Control key and X key. You can cut the folder or right click, cut. Then go back, go to NCICT, then paste. Now you can see month and year, both folder are available under the NCICT. Then create the following drawing using paint and save it in the course folder as a course with any file extension. So you can use any file extension, but you want to open the paint, then by using the paint you want to draw the given picture. So we'll see, just search paint. Now the paint type is open. I will zoom out the app. Then what they are asking, rectangular, then inside that there are three circles. Just select one rectangular, then 3 circles, 2, 3. Okay, I already made the circles. So based on your thing, you can drawing clearly, very close, likewise similar way you can draw it. Okay, so then thereafter you want to fill some colors here. Okay, so yellow color they asking. So fill color, select the fill color and select the yellow. Then you can fill that entire rectangular with the yellow. Then the circles are red, green, blue. Red color, red, then green, then blue. Already filled. So then file, save as JPG. I am going to save it this as a JPG file. So where I want to save it, we'll see the where I want to save it. So drawing course file, course folder as a course with any file extension. So inside the course folder we want to save it. Just open the file, save, save as JPG, then go to the desktop, network, course here, just save. Okay, so we'll check the saved file. Now you can see the inside the course there are created picture is stored here. Okay, we'll move to the next part. Create the following document using Notepad and save it in the course directory as a notepad.txt. So in this question, inside the course directory, we want to save the notepad.txt with containing these texts. Just I am going to the course directory, create new text document, notepad. I am giving a name. Then open that notepad. The particular notepad, the given text completely you want to type it there. Then finally file, save. Now we'll check the notepad is saved with the texts. Then fifth question, rename the notepad text file with the new name test.txt and copy it into the NDICT folder. So here I want to rename it, rename test. Then particular one I want to copy. Two ways you can copy, Control C and right click, copy. Then NCICT, Control V. From the keyboard just press the Control V, you can paste, otherwise right click, paste it. The test one, paste it here. Delete month folder, NCICT, there are month folder, right click. From the keyboard you can press the delete key, otherwise right click, just delete, it will be deleted. With this, practical 3 is completed. Like this way you can complete the practical number 3. That's all in this video. Fine.